Hi friends, a lot of people ask about the voice noise inside Honda City's cabin and how does the iVTEC sound on high RPMs. Okay, so today I will show you that. So right now you can see the car is cruising at around 1100 RPM and it's absolutely silent. Okay, no voice inside. So let me just take it to a higher RPM and see the noise. So till 2000 RPM you might not hear anything at all. Okay, so I'm going to push my car now. You can see now there's a good amount of noise coming in inside the cabin. Okay, and as soon as car goes below 2000 RPM, it will be silent. See, now it's super silent. Okay, the car is at 1100 RPM, cruising at 53. Drive mode. Let me push it once again. See sound, and it's silent. Generally in normal driving conditions, I rarely feel a need to go or push like this. Okay, and in case you do, you will enjoy this sound. It's not a bad noise